Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your VW Touareg radio. First, ensure you have the correct radio removal keys and a plastic trim tool to prevent damage. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work. Also, place a soft cloth over your dashboard to protect it from any accidental scratches as you work. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe removal. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the dashboard trim surrounding the radio. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry these pieces away, working slowly to avoid any damage. Once the trim is off, you will see 4 Torx screws holding the radio unit. Unscrew these fasteners and set them aside in a safe place. Taking your time here ensures no cosmetic damage to your vehicle's interior. With the screws removed, you can now gently pull the radio unit forward from its slot. Be careful not to yank it, as the wires are still connected. Reach behind the unit and carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors. There will be several, including the main power harness and antenna cables. Take a moment to ensure every connection is fully detached before attempting to completely remove the radio from the dashboard. Before completely pulling the radio out, do a final check to ensure no cables are snagged or still connected. Once removed, you can install your new unit. It's a good idea to test the new radio's functionality before you fully reassemble all the dashboard trim pieces. This saves you from having to take everything apart again if there's an issue. Once everything is secure, you're all set. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make life a bit easier, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.